Hey guys, it's Becca, and I've got the February 2019 Sew Sampler box. I have cut the tape, but I've not opened the box. We're going to dig in and see what this month's box has to offer. The theme of this month's box is Tropical Oasis. This month we got a coupon code for 20% off all Andover fabrics. Here's a pamphlet that tells us all about the items in the box. Let's go through each item one by one. Sew Sampler members receive this item before anybody else. It is a Pineapple Quilt Block Foundation paper pad. It retails for $7.98. We have 2 packages of the Sunprint 2019 Charm Packs by Allison Glass for Andover Fabrics. These retail for $19.96. Let's thumb through one of the packs and take a closer look at the fabric. You have a floral print, a print with some words on it. There's another copy of the floral print, and then a doodle print here, and then another one with words on it. And it basically repeats those prints through a variety of colorways. You had the white, the black, some blue, some pretty teal, some mustardy yellow greenish, some lime green or bright green, a dark green, an orangey yellow, like a goldenrod. That looks like orange to me, maybe a little more red. That's orange, maybe the other one was red. I have a hard time telling sometimes. You have a pink, some more pink, some purple, and it ends with a bright pink. There's an add a quarter 6-inch plus pink ruler that retails for $8.98. This is the ruler up close. The instructions say that this is great for foundation piecing and that the tapered edge is used for folding back foundation, and it provides a straight edge for placement of pieces, and you can use it with templates. And so this is what the instructions kind of look like. Looks like you put that lip up against your fabric and you can cut it very easily with a 1/4 inch. Honestly, this one's still confusing me. I'm not sure if my little teeny tiny brain can wrap around how that works, but I'm going to give it a shot. And when I do, I'll film it and I'll post it on YouTube so you can see how it works too. If I didn't mention it, this retails for $8.98. There's an Alex Anderson's 4-in-1 essential sewing tool. There are 4 tools in this one little handy dandy device. You have a pointer, which you can use to push out your corners or turn fabric. And inside of here is a dowel. I think that's what it's called. Or an owl, maybe. I'm not sure what the term is. Over here, you can use this to crease, finger crease your fabric. And inside of that is a seam ripper. And it's made out of a very smooth wood. It feels good in your hand. And it looks cool. This retails for $18.98. There's the Block 11 recipe for the Barn Block Quilt Along. This retails for $4.98. And the only thing I can say about this is, hallelujah, Block 11. That means there's only one more card and it's time to start a different sew along. I'm not doing this quilt along, guys. The last item in the box is our pattern. This is for the Mai Tai quilt pattern, and it looks like it's going to use some of the notions that we got, as well as the fabric, to put together this pineapple quilt. This retails for $9.98, and finishing kits are available at an extra charge on the Fat Quarter Shop website. And then lastly, hiding in our little pamphlet, we have a promo code for a members-only exclusive saving. If there's anything in the box that you want more of, you can purchase those for a 20% off discount. Okay, guys, those are all the items for the February 2019 Sew Sampler box. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of this month's box. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.